Hello, everyone. You all can keep your videos on. I welcome you all for this breath mastery class. It's more of a practical class instead of theoretical class. But yeah, when I'm starting this session, this whole week I'm keeping this sessions open for all of you. We are undergoing a very critical pandemic situation. This is also one more reason for my end that I thought of just keeping it open. Let more and more people get educated and start breathing right and becoming more and more aware of your breath. So you can always share with me what is that exactly you want to learn about breathing in the chat box, or as well as what is your breathing challenges. Okay, these two things I would like you to share with me. Okay, so without further delay, let's go ahead with the practice. One thing I want to certainly mention here is I want you all to not just doing techniques or focusing on, that you are here to learn some breathing techniques. Please try to understand. What is the purpose of you all to be here? Tell me. Can you please message here in chat box? What is that brings you here? What is that brings you here? Can I see some messages? Is anyone typing? Breathing right to practice breathing techniques. Okay. Okay, Chinmay. Good to see you. In order to overcome stress and depression. What else, guys? Right breathing. Okay. Welcome, Tripti. Right way to breathe. To overcome breathlessness during workout. Okay, good. Yes. Breathe right, breathe right. Okay, nice. So breathing right doesn't lies in doing some techniques. This is a myth. Please try to understand that 24/7, 365 days you are breathing. So your goal should be to breathe 24/7, 365 days, right? Am I right? Am I right? Does it make sense? Right? Just attending some 30-minute session and doing some breathing exercise, and rest of the day, if you are still doing, if you are not still focusing on your breath or not doing proper breathing, it won't make effect, right? So focus should be on bringing breath awareness, okay, building that awareness to your breath, and that will transform you. That will change everything. So while we will be doing practice also, more than anything else, I want you to just keep a focus on your breath. Keep a focus on your breath. Okay, so let's start. And I'll be keep on guiding you. You can keep all your videos on, guys. So there are different postures I would like to explain as we begin this session. You can sit in, Sukhasana. You can sit. Please keep yourself muted if you're not. Yeah. Okay. You can sit in Sukhasana. You can sit on a book also. Okay. And you can just place it here, sit here. Your heels facing upward. Your foot are also upward. Okay. Bring your arms in front of you. Open up your arms nicely. Bring your palms over your knees. Bring your palms over your knees. Okay. Now take a deep breath in and stretch your arms up in the air. And as you exhale, cross your palms and connect to your heart. Bringing your palms over your knees. I hope there is no COVID patient, like at least not the recovery time, not recovery like currently, because I want you to go slow with breathing, even if you are, just be very comfortable. Huh? Okay, so the techniques that I'll be telling you today, the first day is your breath awareness that we will learn. Then we'll do equal breathing today, and there is one more that I'll explain you that we'll be doing. So one small breathing technique also we'll be doing. Okay, so first we'll be bringing our attention to our breath. Just take a deep breath in and breathe out. Observe your breath. Take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in. Observe your sit bones and out. Breathe in and out. Spine neutral and erect. Breathe in and out. In and out. Breathe in and out. Inhale. Feel expansion in your chest, in your belly. Exhale. Slowly, belly goes in. Breathe in. Feel expansion in your chest and out. Belly goes in. Now you can keep your palms over your belly area. We'll do belly breathing, deep belly breathing. Take a deep breath in. Make sure whenever you are doing breathing, make sure that your spine is up, tall. You are sitting tall nicely. Your spine is neutral and tall when you are sitting. So take a deep breath in and out. In. Don't move and out. No movements. In, out. Observe your breath in and out. In. Feel the expansion in your whole body. Out. Breathe in. Chest expansion, diaphragm going down, belly expansion, exhale, belly goes in, diaphragm back, lungs contract, you're exhaling, breathe in and out. Observe the flow of your breath, breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. In. Keep your facial muscles relaxed and out. In 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 and out. Breathe in and out. In, out. In, out. I am breathing. Each inhale, say to yourself, I am breathing. With each breathing, you're creating more and more space in your abdomen, allowing the Akash Tattva, allowing the smooth flow of prana within you. With each inhale, your belly expands, and with each exhale, your belly goes in. Feel the focus on the breath in your belly, going downwards towards the pelvis. Be gentle with your breath. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Resume your normal breath. Just observe, no movements. So now we'll be doing, you can keep your eyes closed and just listen to me. We'll be doing equal breathing, 4-4 breathing pattern. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. So this would be the rhythm I'll be carrying. Initially, I'll give you the count and then you can hear the bowl music. With each inhale, feel the expansion. And with each exhale, just feel the effortless contraction. Just observe. Okay, so let's start. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, out, In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your nose only. Relax, everyone. Relax. Become aware of your posture. Try to avoid movements. You may feel little sensation at the tip of your finger or maybe on your face. And even if you do not feel, that's also okay. The next exercise that we'll be doing, and that is a very, very powerful exercise. The first two we have done to prepare our body to breathe, and this one is pursed lip breathing. And this is a very, very nice, powerful exercise, especially in this time of COVID, where we need to actually increase our lung capacity. So this works beautifully well. Please, you can open your eyes, everyone, and see me. In this exercise, we will inhale through our nose. Everyone, focus on this. We will inhale through our nose, bringing our belly out. Okay, inhale the regular one, bringing our belly out. As we exhale, we will exhale through our mouth. We will exhale through our mouth, but make sure that there is a very, very small opening like this. Okay. This is how you will be doing. So you will be inhaling through your nose, fill your belly with air, exhale, keep squeezing your belly and exhaling through your mouth, pursed-lipped, narrowed exhalation like this. So we'll again do this maybe today we can do 3-3 breathing pattern. Usually we do 4-4, then 4-8, and then 4-12. So we extend. The greater the exhalation, the more we are able to retain oxygen or retain air in our lungs, and we supply it the same oxygen or air towards our lower lung. Okay, most of the time we are not using our lower lungs. Okay, the full capacity of lungs we are not using. So this helps to build your capacity using your lower lungs. Especially everyone is now like chest breathing, only upper lungs we are using. Now as we are using here the pursed lip diaphragmatic breathing, this is also called, we are trying to use the lower lungs capacity by retaining the oxygen once we start increasing the exhale count, where your exhalation is greater than your inhalation. Okay, everyone. So let's do this. Always make sure one thing, you can keep your one hand over your belly, right hand over your belly, left hand near your mouth. What I want you to focus here is after few breaths at least, if not in the initially, you should feel the hot, warm, moist air, not hot, but yeah, warm, moist air at the center of your palm. And it is like very, very focused. Huh? It is not that you are doing this. You see, you are not, in fact, blowing balloon also, I would say. It has to be. So you can see कि मेरे थोड़े से cheeks अंदर जा रहे हैं. And it is not कि your cheeks are going out. No. So there are various method of breathing out, like taking a exhalation through your mouth. तो आप देखना कि आपके cheeks अंदर हों. Not under, forcefully भी नहीं. You should not do like this, okay, everyone. Yeah, but make sure कि थोड़ा सा आपका ये, तो जिनके actually cheeks बहुत heavy हैं या कुछ है, so this exercise actually helps you to reduce this fat also. It works well. This is how you have to breathe out. This is how you have to breathe out. So we'll do one practice and then we will continue. So keep your right palm over your belly, another hand near your mouth. The mouth, we are just keeping to feel what kind of air we are exhaling. So take a deep breath in and breathe out. In and out. In, out. In, out. In, feel the expansion in your belly and out. Feel the warm, moist air on your palm. In and out. In and out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. And keep your palms little closer to your mouth and out, so that you can feel the warm, moist air. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Aware of your spine. In, out, in, out. Sit tall, everyone. In, out, in, out, in, inhale. Feel the flow of breath in your belly. Exhale. With each inhale, have this intention that you are oxidizing your whole body. With each exhale, you are releasing not only carbon dioxide, but all the toxics from your whole body and mind. In, out. With each inhale, you fill your body with positive energies. With each exhale, you release negative emotions. And relax, everyone, keeping your eyes closed. Become aware of your breath. Observe your breath. Observe the flow of your breath. With each inhale and with each exhale, observe which all muscles you are engaging. What is happening in your chest, diaphragm, abdomen, spine, shoulder, neck, head, face, your legs, feet. You may feel subtle tinglings, subtle energies, maybe over your palms or at the tip of your fingers. You may even feel your aura, the energy. We all are 99.9% energies and only 0.001% physical body. With each inhale, you cleanse your aura, your energy. With each exhale, as you release all those negative energies, you can feel that your aura is becoming stronger. Bring your attention to your breath. Even if you have some thoughts popping up, just observe, let go, and bring your attention back to your breathing. Keeping your eyes closed only, we'll do a small test, body oxygen level check test. This will only tell you your breath hold. So keep your eyes closed, everyone, and just follow my instructions. We'll be doing breath hold exercise. Don't be forceful with yourself, with your breath. As long as you are able to hold your breath, when I ask you to hold, start holding your breath till you are comfortably able to hold your breath. Do not be forceful at all. Stay there, connected to your breath.
Body oxygen check. Deep inhale. Deep exhale.
Exhale.
Normal inhale.
Take a normal inhale.
Exhale.
Release.
Breath.
Hold your breath.
5, 10,
10,
15,
15,
20,
20,
25,
25,
30,
30,
35,
35,
40,
40,
45,
45,
50,
50,
55,
55,
60.
60. Keep your eyes closed and relax, everyone. Resume your normal breathing. If you want, you can lie down and breathe also. Before we wind up the session, we'll chant Om. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in. Relax. Just be aware of your breath and just observe. Observe the impact of breathing consciously with awareness, observing your breath on your whole body and mind. Keeping your spine straight, giving time and energy to your very own breath. You can join your palms, bow your head, and just say to yourself, I'm grateful to my breath. I want all of you to repeat 3 times. Let's do it together. Let's breathe together and let's do it. I'm grateful to my breath. I'm grateful to my breath. I'm grateful to my breath. With a gentle smile, you can gradually open your eyes. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Any questions? Were you able to do? Neha, where are you? So I was just checking out. So I can understand being the first class, it may be difficult for you to bring, attention to your spine. Rishik, just stay there. I want to speak to you a bit. And a lot of people, I'll just tell you a few things. When you're keeping your hand in pulse lip breathing. So what we have done today, tell me, what was the first? First was breath awareness, right? What was the next we did? Equal breathing. And then we did pulse lip breathing. These are the 3 exercises that we have done today. How are you all feeling? All good? All good? Okay. Neha, are you okay, Neha? I found you a little going breathless. You can unmute yourself, Neha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you all okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. So everyone, please keep your videos on. That's a humble request so that I can guide you. Don't be hesitant. Don't be hesitant. Because you are working with your breath. So understand the importance of your breath. Keep your videos on. And and everyone, this is the common thing I could find out, except few of you, those who are my old students. Keep your palm near to your mouth like this. It should not drop. It should not be like this, something here. Okay. So try to make it palm straight, and whatever you breathe out, you should be able to feel the warm moist air. How many of you were able to feel warm moist air here? Okay, good, Tripti. Just raise your hand if you are able to feel warm moist air. Good, Sheila. Good, Shivani. Manu, were you able to feel warm moist air during pulse lip breathing? Good, Mamta.
I was feeling, cooler actually. I don't know if my fan is the problem. Should I switch off my fan while doing all this?
Cool. It should be warm because it will, once you narrowed na exhalation part, if you are nicely narrowing your lips, this is like a single O sort of opening, right? Then you can feel that warm moist air here. With practice, it will come. With practice, because see, the distance is very less only if you see, hardly any distance, right? So even the fan is there, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, everyone. So see you all on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday I'll take the session, and I want you to practice these exercise: equal breathing, pulse slip 4-4, equal breathing also 4-4 if you can do. Otherwise 3-3 also you can take both the counts. Okay, and I want to know what was your body oxygen check count, everyone. Just message here. What was the body oxygen check count quickly? And those who leave, please message while leaving. Huh? Just message your name while leaving. 50-20, Rahul 98. Okay. How come 98, Rahul? Just let me know. Manoraj 45, Vini 40, Shivani 25. Okay. Because the count was still 60. I hope either you have extended yourself. If it is so, just let me know. You can keep your video on, Rahul, and speak to me. Akanksha, Pavan, Jiten, every one of you, Krishna. Yes, Krishna, you want to ask something? Yeah, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask. Yeah. Okay, body oxygen pulse meter. Okay, that is your 98 count. Okay, so these are different what you are doing. Yeah, like 98 is your oxygen saturation that you are seeing in pulse. So when you do breathing exercises, have you been observing, Rahul, before also? Have you been observing? Have you been observing your body oxygen pulse meter before breathing exercise also? Have you taken?
No, ma'am.
Okay, how is it going for you as of now? Like since you have, so I suppose that you are measuring it also on a regular basis.
Yeah, it is 97, 98 only. But
Okay.
but normally, actually, I am COVID recovered.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if the weather is like cloudy, so I feel like breathlessness.
Uh-huh.
So,
Okay.
but now I am feeling okay. Even
Okay.
though the weather is cloudy, but I am feeling okay.
Great, great, great. That's a good thing. That's a good thing that, okay. So work on your breathing, pursed lip breathing. If you are going breathless, guys, then use pursed lip breathing. Okay. Breathing out through your mouth. But again, not ha karke, pursed lip. Little control as much as practice it. This is very, very powerful in increasing your lung capacity also. Do it slow for lesser time, but do it. Okay. So any questions so far? Any questions, guys?
Ma'am, breathing out simultaneously through mouth and nose by
No, no,
lungs.
no. Only through mouth. Only through mouth and pursed lip. Inhale through your nose, and when you are exhaling through your mouth, no? Don't focus on your nose. Don't focus on your nose, what nose is doing. Leave it. Okay. Just inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth.